Hello dear students, very good morning to all of you. How are you all? I think you are very fine at your home and also safe with your parents. So dear students, today we are going to learn about some grammar part of the Stepping Stone book, course book, in the page number 22 and 23. Okay, so today we are going to do page number 22 and 23. Our topic is let's learn grammar. You can see at last here is in the page number 22, at last here is given let's learn grammar. In this question we will learn about the names of persons, animals, places and things. Names of persons, animals, places and things. So जो names होते हैं that are called nouns. उन्हें क्या कहा जाता है? Nouns. So we will learn about different nouns. So persons, what are persons? Persons are the people, है ना? Who are living things, person. And then animals, you know animals. There are wild animal, pet animals, birds, birds, and even also insects are also some type of animals. So these are all the animals. After that, places. Places means jagah, where we go to visit or where we like school, temple, any of the name of the city, even also the places where we go. The things are the non-living things. Okay, or things means non-living things. So today we are going to do our question number A and question number B and question number C in the let's learn grammar part, and the page number 2 to 22 and 2 to 3 23. So all of you take out your book and take your pencil with yourself. Okay. Now what we have to do, dear students? First of all, have you understood about persons, animals, places and things? So persons are the people, animals are the wild animals, pet animals, birds and insects, and places means jagah and things means non-living things. Okay. Now what we have to do in the question number A. So in the question A, we have so many different things given. So what we have to do, we have to circle the animal's name. Animals को circle करना है. We have to underline, okay, underline the persons. We have to underline persons and things. Okay, persons के नाम और things के नाम को underline करना है. And last one, we have to tick the names of places in the given sentences, in the given words. Okay, so here we have so many words in the different lines. Okay, the first number we have 5 words, and the first one had already done. Ink pot, door, book, chair and hand. So here we have hand, animal. So hand को क्या लगा हुआ है? सर्कल लगा हुआ है. सब लोग देख सकते हैं आपकी अपनी बुक में. इंक पॉट, डोर, बुक, chair, and the last one hand. And hand is already circled. Chair, book or ink pot को क्या है? Underline. You have to underline the door also. Okay, because door is also a non-living thing. So things और persons को हमें underline करना है, circle करना है animals में और tick करना है places में. Okay. So now let's see number 2 question. What are the words given here? T-A-I-L-O are tailor. Who is tailor? Who is tailor? Tailor is stitching our clothes, है ना? हमारे कपड़े जो बनाता है उसे हम tailor कहते हैं. So tailor is a person. After that, bed. Bed means where we go to sleep, है ना? जहाँ हम सोने जाते हैं, bed. Then socks, socks. We wear socks in our legs. Fox. Fox is an animal. Okay. Then post office. What is post office? Post office is a place where we post our letters or deliver. Where we post our letters and पार्सल्स, है ना। पोस्ट ऑफिस एक ऐसी जगह है जहाँ हम जाके अपने लेटर्स या अपने पार्सल्स को डिलीवर करके आते हैं। देन पोस्टमैन टेक द लेटर्स एंड डिलीवर टू द नेक्स्ट पर्सन जिन्हें हमें भेजना है ना। सो पोस्ट ऑफिस इज अ प्लेस. सो नाउ लेट्स डू इट. Tailor is a person, so we will underline tailor. Bat is also non-living thing, we underline. Socks also thing, so we underline it. Fox is an animal, so we will circle it. And the last, post office is a place, so we will tick the right mark. Okay, I hope you all have understood what we have done. So we have to do circle in the animals, places or things पे underline and persons and things पे underline and places पे tick mark करना है. So do it with me, all of you. You have to do the exercise with me on the page number 2 to 22. Now let's see number 3. What is written here first? GWSE, goose. Goose क्या होता है? It is an animal. R-I-V-E-R, river. River is a place, है ना, where we go to see lots of water inside the river, which is flowing. Then C-L-O-C-K, clock. Clock is a thing in which we can see time, है ना. C-O-A-T, coat. Coat is a thing which we wear in the winter season. And the last one, that is carpenter. Who is carpenter? Carpenter is a person who makes furniture for us. Table, chairs, all bed, cupboards, wardrobes, all made by carpenter. Okay, furniture जो बनाता है उसे बोलते हैं carpenter. So here, let's do it. Goose. Goose is an animal. So circle the goose. After that, river is a place, so tick the right mark. Then clock, coat and carpenter, things and persons, so underline it. Then number 4. In the number 4, what is given first? P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. You know parrot. Parrot is a bird, so it is an animal. F-O-X, fox. Again, fox is there, so fox is an also animal. S-T-A-T-I-O-N, station. Station where we go to pick our train, है ना. That is railway station, and also one type of place, that is police station. So station is a place. Then B-A-N-A-N-A, banana. Banana is the name of a fruit. Okay, it is a non-living thing. We eat fruit, so this is thing. And the last one, B-N-C-H, bench. Okay, so bench is also a thing, non-living thing. So here let's do the circle in the parrot and circle in the fox, because these both are animals. After that, pick the right mark in the station and underline banana and bench. Okay, now the last one, number 5. M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. Mother is a person, है ना. हमारी मम्मा होती है mother, so she is a person. Now next one, bedroom. Bedroom is a thing. A bedroom is a place where we go to sleep. Okay, it is a place, जगह है. Now next one, M-A-N-G-O, mango. Mango is the name of a fruit and it is a thing. Next one, ice cream. And the last, C-O-W, cow. Cow is an animal. Let's do it. Mother is a person, so underline the person. Bedroom is a place, so tick the right mark. Mango is a thing, so underline it. Ice cream is also a thing, so underline it. And cow is an animal, so circle it. I hope you all have understood this exercise and done with me. me, so I am giving you 1 minute to complete it. So dear students, complete your work on the page number 222. Okay students, I hope you all have done your work. After that dear students, in the page number 23 there is question number B. What is given here? Who am I? आपको बताना है कि person, place, thing और animal में से वो कौन कौन है. Now let's do it with me. Okay, I hope you all have done this. सभी का हो गया? So may I erase it? Okay, yes. Now I am erasing this. Now we will do question B. In the question B, you have to write who am I? मैं कौन हूँ? Now we will see the first question given here. The first one is I am a cobbler. So who am I? So I am a blank. Who is the cobbler? Cobbler is a person who mend our shoes, है ना, जो हमारे shoes बनाता है, हमारे slippers बनाता है, sandals बनाता है, वो होता है cobbler. So here you have to write P-E-R-S-O-N, person. Okay. After that, I am a fox. Number 2, fox. Who is fox here? Fox is an animal. So you have to write A-N-I-M-A-L, animal. Okay. Next one, C-H-U-R-C-H, church. Church is a place where Christian people go to worship, है ना, पूजा करने जाते हैं. चर्च में कौन पूजा करने जाते हैं? Christian people. Okay. So here we have to write P-L-A-C-E, place, in number 3. Okay. Next one, number 4. What is written here? I am a nurse. आपको पता है nurse कौन होती है? Nurse is a person who help to the doctor, है ना? जो helper होती है डॉक्टर की, उसे बोलते हैं nurse. So who is she? कौन होगी nurse? Nurse is a person. So here you have to write P-R-S-O-N, person. Next one, number 5. I am a hospital. मैं कौन हूँ? Hospital. So hospital is where we go to treat ourselves, है ना, हम अपने आप को जब हम इल हो जाते हैं, बीमार हो जाते हैं, तो हम कहाँ जाते हैं? हॉस्पिटल जाते हैं. ओके, सो इट इज अ प्लेस. आफ्टर दैट number 6, I am a cat. C-A-T, cat. So I am a and कौन हुई मैं? Animal. Cat is an animal, pet animal. Okay. Number 7. What is written here? I am a father. मैं कौन हूँ? Father. And father is a person. I am a person. Write down. Done, everyone? We have 3 more questions. Sorry. Here in the 7th number there is school. I am a school, and school is a place. Father तो उसके बाद है ना नंबर 8 में. So नंबर 8 में आप लिखेंगे I am a person. And in number 9 I am a lamb. Lamb is a, what is lamb here? Lamb is a thing. And the last one, I am an elephant. Elephant is an animal. So you have to complete 8, 9 and 10 as a homework to you. Okay, students? I hope you have done all these. Done, do it fast. After that, we will do match the columns A with the column B. Question number C. Number 8, number 9 and number 10 is homework for you. Okay, you have to do it by yourself. आपको अपने आप करना है. Okay, number 1 is a cobbler is a person, fox is an animal, church is a place, nurse is a person, hospital is a place, cat is an animal, school is a place. And after that there is number 8, that is father. So father is also a person. Number 9, lamp, L-A-M-P, lamp. Lamp is a thing. And the next number 10, elephant. Again elephant is an animal. So number 8, 9 and 10 you have to do by yourself. After that let's do match the pairs. Here we have question number C, match the pairs. So in the match pairs, we have column A. In column A, number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 questions are given, 6 words. That is the squirrels, monkeys, teachers, clothes, children, and the last one is people. Okay. Now here is column number B. In column number B there is A, B, C, D, E, F are the options given. Okay. So in the A option there is right and elephant. Right and elephant. Next one in the B, drip, water. Drip, water. Next one, climb the branches. Climb the branches. Next one, swing on the tree. Swing on the trees. Next, read a lesson. Read a lesson. So here we have matched the pairs with the correct options. Okay. So squirrels. Squirrel क्या करती है? Squirrel climb the branches. Okay. So they match with the C option. Monkeys. Monkeys क्या करते हैं? Trees पे one tree to another tree swings करते हैं. So monkeys swings on the trees. Then teachers. आपको टीचर क्या करती है? Read a lesson. पढ़ाती है. So teachers read a lesson. After that cloths. Cloths जब हम cloths होते हैं उसमें से क्या होता है? Water drip करता है. When there is a wet cloth, you आप उसको देखोगे तो उसमें से water drip करता है. Then children. What the children have done? Children eat the ice cream. People ride the an elephant. People जो है वो elephant की ride पे गए हैं. So here we have completed our today's questions. That's learn grammar. Today's topic. We have done question A, question B, and question C. I hope you all have understood and do it with me. So bye dear students, take care. Tomorrow we will meet again and continue our topic. So bye dear students, have a nice day.